Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Much to everyone's surprise, Yamaha has just unveiled the 2021 MT-09. Already sporting a fairly unique design, Yamaha has made it stand out further with a new look, particularly for its fascia. The new MT-09 deviates from the current twin headlight design of the MT series for a single central LED headlight. On either both sides are two vertical LED DRL strips. Perhaps this is a new look for all future MT series models. For the rest of the bike, Yamaha has stripped back the bodywork to reveal more of the frame and engine. After all, the aluminum Delta Box chassis has received extensive work, gaining a redesigned frame and a lightweight but rigid swing arm. The 14-liter fuel tank has intake scoop curved into it. The exhaust system is now under the chassis, ending with an underbelly muffler. Powering the bike is a new 889cc engine, bigger than its predecessor by 49cc. It produces 4 horsepower more and is now Euro 5 compliant. Being an MT, torque is Yamaha's true focus, and the MT-09 has peak torque now at 93 Nm at 7,000 RPM, a full 1,500 RPM lower than before. Power is a full 119 horsepower at 10,000 RPM. It's paired to a 6-speed multi-plate assist and slipper clutch. Besides the power bump, the engine also gets a revised fuel injection system, repositioned for improved automation and combustion of fuel. Managing all that is Yamaha's chip control throttle and an accelerator position sensor grip from the R1 and tuned for the 3-cylinder engine. It also comes with a new 6-axis IMU that manages its lean angle sensitivity traction control system, slide control system, lift control system, and the brake control system. Keeping it on the ground are the new 41mm KYB adjustable front forks. The rear also gets a new linkage and KYB shock. Besides that, the MT-09 boasts of a shorter wheelbase, higher ground clearance, and a lower overall weight. Yamaha says the bike has been made significantly lighter with a weight of 189 kg. Much of it comes from saving in and sprung weight, improving its agility and dynamics. Much of the sprung weight savings is thanks to the new 10-spoke spin forged wheels, made using the flow forging technique. These wheels are lighter than the cast wheels but also strong. The final addition is the new 3.5-inch TFT display with a remote handlebar switch to easily toggle through the various modes. The new MT-09 comes in 3 colors: Storm Fluo, Ion Blue, and Tech Black. We might have to wait a while as it's expected to arrive in Europe in March 2021 and in Asia much later than that. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell, and comment down below. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you next time.